yeah. Oh yeah, definitely good. Definitely good. Alright, so here we are at the Sala Daeng BTS station here in Bangkok, and we have the most delicious banana roti. From what I understand, it's supposed to be the best. Got this beautiful gal that is cooking it up right here. She has her little street cart. One thing I've seen a lot of people make the video about what she's doing and just her and making it, but not a lot of people actually show them eating the food. If anyone is like me and a fan of eating food, they want to know what it tastes like, what people think of it. They want to see people actually eating the food. So that's why I'm here. I'll be the test bunny, I guess you could say. So here I am. This is the banana roti, and it looks delicious. Let's try it. Well, it's not bad. That first bite, kind of like the edge, so it didn't have a lot of filling in it. It's sweet, it has chocolate and bananas in it. Let's get a better bite going on here. Okay, now here we go. Now we got a decent bite with some good filling in it. Let's go for it. Oh yeah, definitely good, Crunchy texture outside, a sweet banana on the inside, soft and warm. On the outside as well, you have the chocolate sauce. I think it's a coconut milk sauce. It's good. It's a great combination. So crunchy, warm, sweet, really good. Oh yeah, What I'm eating now is absolutely amazing. I can't say nothing bad about it. The price was good. For this particular one, it's 50 baht. Just the eggs and banana is, I think, 40 baht. So 50 baht is a little over $1 for this. And this is an excellent treat. You know, you're just walking along the road, want something good to snack on. This is perfect. It's not very expensive. Oh, yeah. Here's what I think about this. In total, I think it's excellent. I would eat it again. I would buy it again. I might go and get another one to take home with me. I gotta finish this up. Thanks for hanging out with me, guys. Stick around for the next video. We go and find some more food together. Cheers.